Okay, good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Clearly now?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay.
Yes.
So, morning I was clarifying doubts in exercise 3B. Okay. In that, still two questions are left. They are based on mathematical induction. What I will do now, one of those questions which you are supposed to do by mathematical induction, because I thought I should balance the time also. So how to do by mathematical induction, I will tell you only in the next chapter when I do mathematical induction chapter only. Okay. I'm not going to give any idea about it. Because I send the solutions, if somebody feels they understood or they want to copy, they can copy. Or if anyway you want to maintaining a solution book where solution should be in order, leave enough gap for that question. Okay. If it is a one A4 sheet kind of thing, one full page for first question, one full page for third question, it will leave that much gap. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's go for
One doubt, sir. You told second sum. When I started third section, I wrote second sum first, sir. Is it okay or?
It's okay, not a problem. The order is not important, especially section 3. Even other sections also, if you don't get a question, leave enough gap. If you did not leave enough gap, at the end you write solution, not an issue. Right?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, or give a solution, sir, will write.
I sent already in the group yesterday itself. The whole maths and determinants, even further exercise solution also I sent. Okay, yesterday in the evening. All right. You see in the group, if it is not there, you send to me. Then you send a message to me. I'll send to you. Okay. Okay. So generally in our regular WhatsApp group, if any teachers especially sends a message, please see it carefully. I'm sure there are a lot of chart you have to delete, but in between the teacher's message, see it carefully. Okay. Right. Anyway, those who have IP textbook, tell me what is that third question in section 3, exercise 3B.
Okay, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Sir, it's A is equal to 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1.
And A power n is 1 plus 2n.
Yes, sir. Minus 4n.
4n. N.
N and 1 minus 2n.
Minus 2n.
Yeah. Right. Okay.
Condition is n is greater than equals to 1.
Yeah. Then it must be natural number also. Then. If n is natural number, I think greater than 1 is taken care. Okay. Right. Sakshi, are you there in the class? Okay. All of you are able to pin my video if you need, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, I may give a little bit idea about mathematical induction, but see the difficulty in doing this. Yesterday I explained to you, and then we went into some other topic. Okay. I can take n equal to 1 here and say these two are equal. I can take n equal to 2. That means really find a square from this and put n equal to 2. They will match. And really find a cube and put n equal to 3. The answers will match. Really find a power 4 and put n equal to 4. They match. But how long will you do it? Just because up to 4 you tried it and it's coming correct, so let us accept it. It's not right. We discussed about that yesterday. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And not only that, it is a as a student, you should be worried about how to solve a question. But as a teacher, I should be worried about how to make a question. Why? That is in the exam, I don't want to give this question, but I want to give a similar question. Then I should know how to make a question, right? Let us say randomly I write a equal to 5, 7, minus 8, 9. A power n equal to, what should I write? Okay. In one sense, for you it is easy because it is already given. Somehow we'll try to prove it. For me, I have to know what it is, what should be there, right? Okay. So I'm going to give you hints about how to make a question. Not that you give any matrix and ask a power n, you can find it. It's not that everything will follow a pattern. Okay. Not necessary. Okay. See what will happen here. I want to write this as identity matrix plus one more matrix. Can you tell me what is that?
A, sir, you're writing A as one identity.
I'm writing A as identity matrix plus one more. What is that?
2 minus
2
4,
minus 4,
0,
2 minus 4, 1, and
1,
and
minus 2.
Minus 2,
minus
sir.
2, minus 2.
Yes. I have to adjust these numbers so that this plus this will be this, this plus this will be this, this plus this will be this, this plus this will be this. But this is identity matrix. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to call this as I and this as B. Okay. This is A. Then if I want A power n, very simple, I'll write I plus B whole power n. And it is I plus n into B plus n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 into B square, so on. I gave some explanation yesterday, right? Okay. Now, but yesterday only somebody gave this example on their own. Okay. That they gave this example and they say B square is null matrix. Ravi Kumar, you are leaving or something? Ravi Kumar? Something. Okay, it's okay. Lot of chat. It's okay. I think somebody is saying is not from this group and join. It's okay. Right, leave it. Yesterday I said when B square is null matrix, B cube will be null matrix, B power 4, they all will be null matrices. And I can write it as I plus NB since B square equal to null matrix. You remember that?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Who gave me this example as B whose square is null matrix?
Sure, me.
Okay, all right. If somebody has doubt, you check it. Let us take B equal to 2 minus 4, 1 minus 2. And let us find B square. 2 minus 4, 1 minus 2. And 2 minus 4, 1 minus 2. You will get 4 minus 4, minus 8 plus 8, 2 minus 2, and minus 4 plus 4. That is 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so we got B square is null matrix. Now, what is I back? 1, 0, 0, 1. n times what is B? 2 minus 4, 1 minus 2. And this is 1, 0, 0, 1. If I take this n inside, 2n minus 4n, n minus 2n. Add these two. Okay. You will get 1 plus 2n minus 4n, n and 1 minus 2n. Is this exactly the answer?
You got minus 1.
Minus 1.
Something wrong, Aro?
Yes, sir.
Where is that?
Minus 4n. 4n.
Minus 4n is right, na? Correct, na? Oh, that is plus 4n. Oh, this
Yes,
is
sir.
plus 4 here. Okay, this is plus 4 only. Is this minus 4 or plus 4?
sir, minus 4 only, sir.
Minus 4.
Then I think in the question it is minus 4n, no? There?
Yes,
The
sir.
textbook?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, it's minus 4. Yes,
All
sir.
right. Okay. All right. So this is how the question is made. Listen, you may write this in your homework book, I don't mind, but in IP exam, don't write like this. You have to do by mathematical induction only this question. Is it okay? So I prefer, I'll explain, but I prefer you have to write this in the class notes. Is it okay for everybody?
Okay, sir.
And I'm going to do some more
Should
similar.
write
In IP homework book, when this IP question comes, we will try to do by mathematical induction. If you don't know mathematical induction, leave enough gap. We will discuss later. Is it okay?
Sir, for after changing the A anytime we can use same this method, no, sir, for finding the same question.
Yeah, not that. We'll make some more questions, provided you help me, all of you. What is that? Like Kasi gave me a matrix whose square is null matrix now. You give me some other matrix whose square is null matrix, I'll tell you how to make another question. Anybody can try. Okay?
Sir, morning we did 0, 1, 0, 0.
Yeah, that is very simple, but nothing is 0, but some numbers like this is better. That is also okay. We'll take that also. Okay. All right. So I'm explaining this once again. Please, you have to write this in the class notes. What is this now? Today is 9th, right? 9/6/2021 evening. So, if you have any matrix, you want to find higher power of that. Many questions this method will work. What is that? Write it as identity matrix plus some other matrix. What is that some other matrix? You can make out. When you write 1 here, automatically you would write 2 here. When you write 0 here, automatically you would write -4 there. This. When you write 0 here, automatically you would write 1 here. When you write 1 here, this plus this should come this. Accordingly, it will be -2. Okay. Call this is I and this is B. You will find in most of the questions, B square is null matrix. Right? So here you take B this separately. I proved B square is null matrix. Okay. Now A equal to I plus B. Do power n. A power n is I plus B whole power n. Yesterday afternoon, I gave you some binomial theorem and I even said how this is equal to this is a formula. Just take it. Because here B square is null matrix, the next one is null matrix, next one, they're all gone. I'm only left with these two, so which is I plus NB. And what is I kept it back? What is B kept it back? Multiply the n inside and add these two. I got the answer that A power n equal to that. Hence proved. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So those who completed copying this, give me some matrix like this whose square is null matrix.
Sir, 2,
Yes, please.
4, 2, 4, minus 1, 2. Exercise 3B, 7th question. I found it out.
Okay, 2, 4, -1, -2. Like this, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, basically this minus came here. Okay, right. Anyway, still will take it. But its square is not null matrix, man. Is it? I think it is.
Sir,
Okay.
one example can I give, sir?
Please feel free.
So it means
Yes.
like any of the term in the any of the element in the matrix can be 0, sir.
You can take it. It's okay. Okay.
Sir, then 0, 1, 0, 0.
Yeah, that already. It's okay. 0, 1, 0. We'll use that also. Okay.
Sir, can I?
Yes, please feel.
4 minus 8, 2 minus 4.
4 minus 8, 2 minus 4. Okay. All right. I'm sure you might have spent some time made it, but I'll tell you this is double of what is
The
this.
double of it. Sir, the 2, 4, minus 1, minus 2, it is satisfying, I think, sir.
It's satisfying. I checked it. Correct. Okay. Initially, I thought it is not, but it's.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, please.
-2, 2, 2.
-2, 2, 2. You can as well tell -1 also, right? -1, -1, 1, 1. Okay.
Sir, also we can say 6 minus 12, 3 minus 6.
You are making 3 times that.
Yes, sir.
That's okay. Not a problem.
Sir, can you wait for 5 minutes? Actually, I'm finding the.
No problem. It's okay.
I will wait.
Induhasini, you are there in the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir,
Yes, please.
4,
Okay.
2,
4, 2,
-8 -4.
4 to -8 -4. Okay. All right. It's okay, it's nice, but basically what happened, this came here, and you multiplied 2 all over.
I didn't realize this.
I'm sure, I don't think you copied from this. You tried fresh and you got it. I know that. They're all nice. All are nice. Okay. Okay, so I hope everybody copied. I'm going to erase this.
So leave about the last part.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make the questions. Okay. This is 4, 2, -8, -4. Okay. Using this, I'll tell you how to make a question. 1 plus 4n. Oh, no, what is that? Just add 1 0. 5 -3, 2 -8 whole power n is equal to 1 plus 4n, 2n, -8n, 1 minus 4n. Okay. If somebody wants to check this, put n equal to 1. Are both coming equal?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let us find square and see checking whether coming or not. 5, 2, -8, -3 into 5, 2, -8, -3. What is this? 10 minus 16, -6. No, 25 minus 16, 9. 10 minus 16, -6. Right? No, this is -3. Sorry. 10 minus 6, 4. And minus 40 plus 24, -16. -16 plus 9 is -7. Okay, I got this. Put n equal to 2. Are they coming equal or not? Check.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's it. Now, I hope all of you understood how I had done. For this, I added identity matrix. That is this. This I multiplied 10 and added identity matrix. That is this. Basically, this is all what I'm doing is one formula. I plus b whole power n is I plus nb. Okay, that's what we are doing. So this is I plus b the power n. That is I plus n. Now, if I want to use this, okay, add identity matrix. Okay, Hindu asked me, why don't you help me? Add identity matrix to this and tell me what will come. For this, you add identity matrix and tell me what will come.
The same will come, sir. 2, 4 minus 1 minus.
No. For this, you add identity matrix. What will come? Identity matrix means 1 0 0 1. When you add 1 0 0 1, what will come? Are you there, Hindu Hasni?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Okay. So when you add this and identity matrix 1 0 0 1, 2 plus 1 here, 3 will come, right?
Yes, sir.
What will come here?
0, sir.
4 here, 0 here. What will come? 4. Here -1, here 0. We will get a -1. Here -2, here 1. I'm adding them. Okay, -1.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now power n of this, if I want to tell the answer, multiply this with n and then add to this. Okay, multiply this with n and then add identity matrix. What is going to come? When you multiply n here, what will come?
2n.
2n.
1. So 2n plus 1. When you multiply this with n and add, you are going to get 4n. When you multiply this with to n and add, you are going to get minus n. Multiply this with n and add, you are going to get 1 minus 12. Okay, so a matrix is there, power n. I am able to tell the answer straight away.
Okay,
is it clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, how to find n in the next chapter?
Ganesh, you want to tell the next one? Tell.
No, sir, I'm asking how to tell n, how to tell the answer that is value of n. You will tell in next chapter, sir.
How to prove a mathematical induction? Are you asking that?
No, sir. Here n value, how we can find?
No, n value. No, it's always correct. You take n equal to 2, it is correct. N equal to 100, it is correct. N equal to 1000, it is correct. You don't have to find n value.
She said, no, sir. We cannot say that if n is equal to 1 or 1, it may be correct or may not correct.
No, it is correct. I'm deriving it now.
Yes.
If you are checking it, I am saying you check it for n equal to 1, check it for n equal to 2, check it for n equal to 3. What is the guarantee that for n equal to 4 it is correct? That okay, by checking process, it is not right that for n equal to 1000 it is true. But here I am not checking, I am deriving it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes.
Sir,
Okay. Yes, please.
sir, is it only for 2 by 2 matrix or even?
No, you can also do for 3 by 3. We are going to do it. Okay. You understood this process, how we made this question?
Yes, sir.
So you want to tell for this how to miss what will come here, power n, and what will come here in terms of n.
1 1 0 1.
Yes, 1 1 0 1, and what they will come there?
0. Sorry.
You have to multiply this with n and add identity matrix, right?
Yes, 1 n 0 and 1.
Yes. Okay. Out of all the questions, this is easier. Why? Anybody with common sense, you can tell that you take 1 1 0 1, multiply with 1 1 0 1. What will come? Normally, just multiply and see. One two zero one, right? Okay. Let us say I want to. This is a square. I want to find cube. So take 2 here, 1 here. Can I say here 3 will come?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So here, if you really find square, cube, 4, you can easily find a pattern and say that n will come here. Okay. Okay. Somebody else apart from Kashi and Shanmukh. Anybody want to use this because the square of this is also null matrix, and you want to make a similar question like this? Any volunteers?
Can I?
Yes, Sarat Chandra.
So we'll get 5.
Okay, 5.
Minus 8.
Okay.
2. Minus 3.
Okay. Whole power n. And what will be the answer?
So it will be 1 plus 4 power 4n. 1 plus 4n.
1 plus 4. Yes.
Next 1 minus 8n.
1 minus 8n. Okay.
Sorry, so not 1 minus 8n. It's 8n. Minus 8n. Sorry.
Only minus 8n. Okay.
Next 2n.
Okay.
And 1 minus 4n.
Yes. If somebody has a doubt, you check n equal to 1 and find square of this and put n equal to 2, like that n equal to 1, they can check. Okay. I can use this and I can use this and make a lot of questions. Okay. So now I think after all that, our question which is given in IP book looks so simple. That means we got a general idea how the question is made. Okay. And it is not necessary if you want to write it, I'm just giving an idea. Okay. Because what to write if somebody is not clear, there too.
Sir, if this question comes in Ascent exam, we can apply this method, no, sir?
Yeah, we can apply this method. Okay. And not only that, now I'm going to do some 5-6 questions where all are given in JEE mains exam in the last 4-5 years, which are based on this concept. I'm going to do them now.
Okay.
Okay, I can use other. I'm just erasing. If somebody wants to write, you can just write similar questions and write these things. And if you want to write correspondingly, you write it. Okay. If you don't want to write, also not an issue. I think without all this, you can just write some similar questions. That's better.
Sir, as we derived this formula now, we can use this and show that the a power n will be substitution of the n value.
Yeah, that means only when if the work a power n you are able to write like this only when if A is possible to write it as identity matrix plus another matrix whose square is null matrix, then only.
Okay, sir.
Not for others.
This is if B square is equal to 0 only, then we can write.
Yeah, yes, only when B square is null matrix only this will work.
Okay, sir.
Sir, do you want to wait for a minute?
Yeah, I'm not. Okay, next question. This is a past year mains question given in 2018. A is equal to 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1. They want to find what is a power 20.
There is 0, sir.
Which one?
A square is 0, sir.
No, a square is why it will be 0. No. I don't know. It may be a little difficult question. We'll see it. Okay.
Sir, it is forming an identity matrix.
No. Okay. See, I want you to think about this question in two ways. You just find a square, a cube, a power 4 normally. By looking at all the matrices, you may be finding some kind of pattern. And based on that, you can guess what is a power 20. We'll do that also. And we'll also see without guessing what to do it. Okay?
Sir, instead of 1 element, we'll get 20, sir.
Maybe. So you find a square and find a cube. Let us see.
So,
Yes.
A square is 1 0 0 2 1 0 3 2 1.
A square is just 1 minute 1 0 0 1 1 0 triple 1 into. I'm erasing the previous one. Again 1 0 0 1 1 0 triple 1. Okay. Now tell the answer. First row what it is?
1 0 0. Next row is 2 1 0.
2 1 0. Okay.
Next also 2 1.
3 2 1.
3 2 1. This into this 3. This into this 2. Yes. Correct. Okay. So let us see a cube. I can write a square into a. 1 0 0 2 1 0 3 2 1 into 1 0 0 1 1 0 triple 1. So what is this? First row I think same as it is 1 0.
So,
Yes.
The A cube.
next row is 3 1 0.
3 1 0.
Next 5
6
3
3.
5 3 1.
This is 6. 3 plus 2 plus 1. 6.
6 3 1. Sir.
6 3 1. Okay, we'll just find a power 4 and we'll stop it. Okay. A cube into a. Hemant, are you there in the class? Hemant?
Sir, can you scroll down your screen, sir? It's not visible.
Bottom part is not visible to you?
Yes, sir.
I'm able to see in another device visible. See if you can adjust or something. Or some computer screen, something is hiding you.
Sir, now it's okay, sir.
Okay.
A power 4 is 100411040.
100411041. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us see if somebody can guess what is a power 20. By looking at this pattern, a square, a cube, a power 4.
Sir, first column,
First column is
1 plus 2, 1 plus, like that, adding those numbers last one.
Okay, first you want to tell 100, everywhere 100 only, right?
20.
Yes, sir. 20, 1, 0.
1 here, 0 here. They're all fixed everywhere. Only you have to tell what is this, what is this, what is this.
20, sir.
20.
Yeah, this is 20 and this is also 20. You can see here.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
40 will come.
42.
40, sir.
42, sir.
21, sir.
40.
Let us see
Sigma
that.
20.
This is 1, this is 3, this is 6, this is 10. Okay.
42.
Plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, and plus
Yeah,
20 will come.
Actually, what is happening here is this 3 is 1 plus 2, sum of first two natural numbers. This 6 is sum of first 3 natural numbers. This 10 is sum of first 4 natural numbers. We will get here first 20 natural
42,
numbers. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, so on up to 20. It will be quite a big number, right? 20 into 21 by 2, 210. Sum of first 20 natural numbers.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, sir, understood.
So this is method 1. We'll discuss method 2. So method 1 is really find a square, a cube, a power 4, a power 5, or if possible, you'll find a pattern. Based on the pattern, you can guess it basically.
Sir, if we don't find a pattern, we should multiply till a to the power of 20 or so.
Yeah, you should find, not, I don't say a power 20. You find a power 5, maybe you'll get an idea for pattern. Okay. But we'll do second method. We will write this as identity matrix plus another matrix, and we'll see what is the square of that. Okay. Himabindu, you understood the method 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what did you say about method 2?
Method 2, I want to write this as identity matrix plus B, another matrix. I'll call it as I plus B, and see what is B square coming.
I tried it, sir. B square, I think it's not coming null matrix, sir.
Why don't you try B cube? Let us see.
Okay, sir.
Who is this? There is a.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I want to erase this. Anybody wants more time?
No, sir.
No. Okay.
Sorry, sir. B square is coming null matrix only, sir. You're right, sir.
No. B square. Look at third row, first element. It may not be 0.
So third row first element is 1. It won't come in element.
Yes, correct. But B cube is check. Okay. Method 2. A is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. and this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. This is I and this is B. Let B is equal to 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, which implies B square is
Sir,
0, 0,
mathematics is coming B cube.
okay, plus 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. When I find B square, it is all 0, it is all 0, here 1, 0, 0. Now B cube is B square into B, which is 3 zeros, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. That is null matrix. Okay. Now,
Sir,
listen, all of you, only 16 people video is on. All others video is off. You will be marked as absent. So please turn on your videos every time. Please don't make us repeat, because on one side I have to focus on class, what to teach, and somebody will be asking some doubt in between, and in between I have to see your video is on and all. I'll not be able to teach properly. So please cooperate and turn on your videos. Yes, Kasi.
Sir, now as B cube is equals to 0, along with A plus and B, we should n into n minus 1 by
Yes.
1 into 2.
1 into
Square.
2 plus
Exactly.
B square. This is
Yes, correct. A power n is I plus B whole power n, which is I plus nb plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into B square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3. That is 3. 2 factorial means 1 into 2 anyway. Plus 1 into 2 into 3 B cube, so on. So earlier B square is null matrix.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
please.
B
Now
cube
B cube and everything else is null matrix. So these all will be gone. Okay. We will be left with only I plus NB plus n into n minus 1 by 2 into B square, rest all null matrices. So this is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 plus n times B. Where is B? This one. Okay. 0, 0, 0, n 0, 0, n 0. Next, what is this? 0, 0, 0. I have to take B square, B, this one here, and multiply with this. This also 0. Only here n into n minus 1 by 2, 0, 0. Okay. Now, when you add all these things, what is the final answer will come? 1, 0, 0, n 1, 0, n into n minus 1 by 2, n 0. Okay, did we guess the same answer earlier? That 20 here, and sum of first n natural numbers. How many natural numbers?
Sum of n natural numbers.
Yeah, it is actually. Wait. It is n plus will come here, and when you simplify it is n into n plus 1 by 2.
The same answer came, sir.
Yeah. Here n plus n into n minus 1 by 2 is actually n into n plus 1 by 2, which is sum of n natural numbers only.
Yes, sir. Same answer came, sir.
Yes. So in the previous one we guessed it. Here, did we guess anything? No, we proved it thoroughly and for all natural numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is given in 2018 JEE Mains exam as it is. Okay, I'm giving the next question here. I'm not erasing this whole thing, just only this corner. Okay, next question. Maybe somewhat similar to this, you may be able to guess easily. P is equal to 1, 0, 0, 3, 1, 0, 9, 3, 1.
Excuse me, sir.
9, 3, 1. Yes,
Sir,
please.
Sir, I'm sorry to disturb, sir, but here in...
You got muted. Can you tell again?
Yes, sir. Here at the end of the answer, n plus n into n minus 1 by 2, n and 1 will be there, sir. Because identity matrix, third row, third element.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. The diagonal element last.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay. This one, they wanted actually p power 5, but I wanted to generalize it. So let us say last p power 10 what it is. Okay. What is p power 10? You just find p square, p cube and find a general answer, or you want to do like this? This also will do by both methods.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, in the last step, you added again plus n. Where the plus n came?
Oh, here. This is 0, this is n, and this. I have to add all these elements, na?
Okay, sir.
Sai Kirti, are you able to follow comfortably?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vamsi Vardhan, are you comfortable with the both methods? Vamsi Vardhan, please respond.
Sir, p square is 100, 610, 1861.
P square, okay, I'll ask you because I don't have place to write. Okay, later.
Sir,
yes, please.
In exam, this question, how they will ask, sir?
In this question, how they will ask? Okay. They can give options like this, different matrices, or sometimes what they will say, in p power 10, what is sum of all the elements? They can give us a numerical question. Even here in the previous question, they can ask what is sum of all the elements. You add whatever that 200, 210 plus some 20 plus 20, you add like that, right?
Yes, sir.
They can ask some of the diagonal elements or something like that. They can ask. Not diagonal elements, but other elements.
So the answer is 100, 3010, 531.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to erase this for previous solution fully. Anybody wants more time? No. Some people might have thought matrix is a very easy topic in the beginning, right?
Yes, sir.
It is easy, but I'm telling, even in that, there can be questions, little complicated. After we discuss enough questions, nothing is complicated in the first time. Okay. So I want somebody's help here. What is p square? Somebody got tell me.
100. 0, 0, 0.
Okay, zeros you tell. Zeros you tell.
Sir, I didn't get p square, sir. Sorry, sir. I thought you asked another matrix square.
Okay. All right.
So 100.
Okay, Shanmukha 100.
610.
610.
1861.
1861. Okay. You found p cube also?
Yes, sir. 100. 910.
910. Okay.
4591.
4591. Okay. You found p power 4 also?
No, sir.
No. All right. Okay, fine. Anyway, I changed the question to be p power 10, but actually they asked p power 5. If you wanted p power 5, you can find p power 4 and do it, or multiply p square and p cube, will get p power 5, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Looking at this 9, 18, and 45, can we find some pattern? What is that?
Sir, 9 into to the power.
First of all, is this? I doubt this. Is it 18 or 27?
Sir, it's
27.
27, sir.
27.
It is 27. What about this? Is it 45?
Sir, I think the 9 into 6, the 54 will come.
54. Okay. All right. I think it is somewhat similar to the previous question where here you're getting 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3. This is 9 into 1, 9 into 1 plus 2, 9 into 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay. So I think the p power 10 should be 100. Here 3 times 10, 10. Here 3 times sum of first 10 natural numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3, so on up to 10.
55, sir.
Yeah. 0, 1, 3 times 10, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So it is actually 100, 30, 10. 3 into 55 is 165, 31. Okay. This is p power 10.
Last time I missed. Third row first element I missed it, sir.
Okay. Okay. Otherwise, this is method 1, where you just find p square, p cube, p power 10, and to find 1 or 2 and find a pattern. Method 2 will write it same thing. P is equal to 100, 010, 001 plus 000, 300 and 930. Okay. I'm going to call this as I plus B. B square, if I find, I think 000.
Sir, I got p to the power of 10 is equals to 100, 3, 30, 10, 495, 31, sir.
Are you sure it's 495 or 165?
495, sir.
Done something wrong, huh?
9 into 55, sir. You did 3 into 55.
Achha, thank you. So 9 into 55. 9 into 50, how much? 495.
495, sir.
Okay, thank you. So please correct this. Those who somebody is copying, this is 9, not 3. This is also 495. Yeah, coming to this.
Sir, from the, yes, sir, that method 2 I did, sir. B square I took.
Why don't you tell B square to me?
Sir, B square is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 900.
Okay, 0, 0, 0, 900. And B cube is null matrix.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now p power 10 is I plus B whole power 10, which is I plus 10 into B plus 10 into 10 minus 1 by 1 into 2 into B square, rest all null matrices. That is I plus 10B. That will be 10 into 9 by
square, 45B square.
45B square. Yeah. I want to make some place. It's okay. I will write this 100, 010, 010, 001, 10 times 000, 300, 930 plus 45 times 000, 900. Okay.
Sir, you can rub below part, sir.
Okay. No, same answer. I can just equate it, right?
Yes, sir.
What equal to that? Okay. This is 0, 0. Okay. Method 1 is finding the pattern. Method 2 is writing an I plus B form. Okay, let me give another.
In these type of problems, if B cube it will not be the null matrix, B to the power of 4 will be null matrix. Such type of problems will also they give, sir.
That till now they are not given that like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then it's going to come cubic kind of expression. Now I'm erasing method 1 and giving another question here. Yeah, this is given in 2019 in JEE Mains. A is equal to 1102. A power 10 is what? Oh, sorry, A power 20 is what? Not A power 10. Nandan, are you there in the class?
Yes, sir.
You're able to follow comfortably?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cooper, you are comfortable with this both the methods?
Yes, sir. I'm comfortable.
Okay. All right. Is it? You are comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyway, the first roll number in this class is Krishna Sai. Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, this also will do both methods. Find the pattern or write I plus B. Still some people video is off.
Sir, this question I tried in second method, sir.
Okay.
B square, it is coming same as B square.
So B square is B, B cube is B and all. Then yesterday
Yes.
I gave you, if B square is equal to B, for that also I gave one formula. I plus 2 power n minus 1 into B.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can use that.
Okay, sir.
Sir, the
A square
A
is
square
not-
is the A square form is 1304.
Okay, let me write. Yeah, somebody is asking about homework. Today I did not tell further theory, so I don't have any homework. But based on this type of questions, if I find 4 or 5 questions, I'll put in WhatsApp. Otherwise, no homework. Is it okay?
Sir,
Okay, sir.
for first method, A square is 1304, sir.
Okay, A square,
square.
okay, method 1. What is the name? Seshudhar, you tell me, what is A square? 1304. And A cube?
1708.
1708. And A power 4? Not found.
115,016.
Sir, 115,016.
Kaushik, 115,016. Okay. Now, anybody found any pattern here?
Sir, in the fourth element, it is 2 square, 2 cube, and 2 power 4.
Yeah. So this is 2, this is 2 square, this is 2 cube, this is 2 power 4. What about
Sir,
this
and
element?
also in the
Keeping for that
2
also.
square minus 1, 2 cube minus 1, 2 power 4 minus 1.
Yeah, 1 less than this number. So can I directly say then A power n will be 1, 0, here 2 power n and here 2 power n minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if it is A power 20, it is 1, 2 power 20 minus 1, 0, 2 power 20. Okay, let us see method 2. We'll stop in a few minutes. Okay. Today I don't want to extend it. Okay. Method 2. I want to write this as 1001 plus 0101. Yeah. Which is I plus b. B square, if you find 0101, again 0101, you are getting 0, 1, 0, 1. So B square is coming B. If B square is B, obviously B cube is B, so on. Then A power n, which is I plus B whole power n, which is I plus n into B plus n into n minus 1 by 2 B square. All that put together, I already gave one formula. But somebody had a doubt about how the 2 power n minus 1 came. I'll explain a little later.
So the final matrix for a to the power of 20 is 1048576. Sorry, 1048575.
You found 2 power 20 value?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, like I given like 2 to the power of 20 is equals to the power of 10.
1024 into 1024 you multiply. Okay.
Yes, sir. So 1048575 0 1048576.
Okay. Anyway, in past year mains question they asked this. They asked sum of all these things, and the answer they gave not expanded form. They just gave it as 2 power 21 something like this. Okay. Anyway, coming to this, which is 1001. 2 power n minus 1 into, okay, 010, okay, which is 1001 plus 0 2 power n minus 1 0 2 power n minus 1. When I add them, 1 2 power n minus 1 0, this minus 1 cancel. Okay, so by method, sorry, some part of it somebody cannot see. I'll try to write it. 1 2 power n minus 1 0 2 power n. Okay, so this is method 1 where we found few things and found some kind of pattern. This is where we wrote I plus B. Okay, somebody asked earlier about power. Yes, Dheeraj?
A to the power of 20 is equals to 1 plus 2 to the power of 20 minus 1 0 and 2 to the power of 20, no sir?
Yes, correct. It is here, left side bottom. Okay. Okay, so listen, based on what we discussed today, not many questions, 3 or 4 questions. I'll send in WhatsApp as a homework, 4 or 5 questions after half an hour or so. Okay. So if you have time, you can attempt later on. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's it. Class is over.
So based on this concept, sir?
Based on today's concept only. Today, this evening class concept.
Okay, sir.
Sir, in which book we should write those questions, sir?
Those questions you should write in objective homework book. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, actually, in the process one, in the method 1, we did as per the question, no, sir.
Yes,
J square, J cube, no, sir.
Yes, correct.
In the second method, we found B and we did by the formula, sir.
Yes, correct.
Sir, but how to find B, sir? J plus I plus B is equal to A, no, sir?
See, listen, I'll tell you. I got what is your doubt. Where from we found B? Very simple. Let them give any matrix A. You write identity matrix plus, you don't know what is this. Now you try to fill. This plus this, 1 should come. So what number I should write here?
Sir,
I'm writing A as identity matrix plus something which I don't even know. So you're asking what is, I saw the name, I forgot. Who is that? Just now ask me.
Sir, P. Omkar, sir.
Omkar. So if 1 is here, what number should be here so that when I add 1 will come? A will come. 0, na?
0.
Here 0 is there. What number should be here so that I'll get this 1?
1, sir.
1. Here 0 is there. What should be here so that I'll get 0? 0 only. Here already 1 is there. What should be here so that I'll get 2 is 1. So our B is simply nothing but from A subtract I will automatically get this. In every question we've done that one. Is it okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anybody any kind of doubt? Like Omkar asked, how every time we are writing B just like that? Maybe I did not explain in detail.
Sir, here
Sir,
2 to the
what
power
is
of
written
20
in-
is there.
What is? Ganesh, what you are asking?
What is written in the second statement, second line?
Mukund Agarwal, you are asking right side or left side?
Sir, right side. B
Right
power.
side. Okay,
Yes,
I plus
sir.
B whole power n. Okay.
Sir, above that.
Above that, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. When I multiplied, I got the same thing, which is B. B square came B. That's what I wrote.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, anybody else want to ask anything?
Sir, I am asking here 2 to the power of 20 means how can we calculate in simplest way?
That is 2 power 10 plus 10, which is 2 power 10 into 2 power 10, 1024 into 1024. If you don't, you can multiply them or you write 1000 plus 24 whole square, expand it, you will get.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But it did not ask that. I gave answer in terms of 2 power only. Okay. Any other doubt anybody has?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Anybody
in
need?
the options,
Yes.
they will directly give the exponential form, sir. We need
Yeah.
not write.
Yeah. When you get 2 power 100, 2 power 50 and all, they will not ask you. Here in JEE Advanced, speed mathematics doesn't have any role. Okay. If somebody is very good in multiplication, very good in division, sorry, JEE Advanced exam doesn't use those skills. Okay. Yes. Any other doubt? Anybody?
No, sir.
Okay. Anybody wants more time to copy what is there on the board?
No, sir.
No. All right then. Let us end the class. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.